Hey, it's another flying day. I'm all set up. I got my box right here in the front. Look at that. A little hard to get to the brakes, the controls, but I'll deal with it. Much better, I can swing my leg over, nice and easy. Nice calm day, let's go get a flight. I got my GoPro, I got my Lanzi, I got my Pro mic, and I got my Saramonic, and it should be a nice quiet day. And you guys should see my wing on. I'm not going to do any screw bolts. That's it. It's wet, it's cold. Hopefully you guys can see it. Let's I don't know how I'm going to launch it, but here we go. I'm a lefty and I throw with my right hand. Throttle. Look at that. Now that is what you call pretty well trimmed out. So now she'll climb because the battery's back a little bit. So I could get some thermals. There we go. Now I'm going to cut off. Stand still. Ooh, baby, there we go. I'm dropping in height as I go a nice straight line. That's AS3X technology right there, holding her steady. I'm just going to bank her, and I will add throttle. Throttle. Bank her, turn my head. I don't want to climb, I just want to have a nice slow flight. I'm finishing up my flight. Right in front of us. A little choppy. Beautiful. Don't you just, that's the beauty of flying right there. That's the gracefulness right there. GoPro doesn't do justice, trust me. Woo! See if I could get one more. Oh yeah. And then one more nice overhead pass right towards me. Alright. Now we'll come in, give it some height, and you can see how she's dolphining and cut throttle. Ooh, give it throttle. Let's climb up and let's just do a landing by me. I don't know if that's going to be a hand catch, but there we go. Easy plane to land, it just drops onto the grass. Beautiful. What I